Okay, this is going to be today's video review for Friday, December the 9th, 2016 for Drum Energy Bands. Today before 8 a.m. Eastern, we felt if we could stay below 2252 that the market could flush lower. Now, 2252 was key, so we had upside targets of 65.74. You can see that with the market today, we haven't gotten up to 65.74, but it has been just a straight move to the upside. So let's talk a little bit about what's going on here today. Well, you can see that the way the market opened today, the majority of the volume was in the December contract, and now it's shifted. It's into the March. And you can see the same scenario that began the day in oil. We started off in January, and of course we're still in January with oil. But let's talk a little bit about intraday and what we do as traders that use VEA. Well, this is a strong dot push into this upper pink energy band, pulls back to this block area, pushes up into this crest. We're looking at this upper yellow area here. Maybe you want to get short, into this projected crest of resistance in the future. Comes in about 22.51 3/4, so 22.51 3/4 comes in approximately in here. We see that we're in the confluence of termination of resistance. This brick here has a wick above and below this green brick, so we know there's some sellers coming in here. We're not looking at order flow. We're not looking at who's hitting the bid. We're just visually getting ready, and once it goes red, we're short, and we'll get in the market at 51 or better or even less, but we're short. And we're going to watch for a couple of things to take place. We're going to look for the red bricks to get below this yellow dashed line right here, this yellow dashed line, in a what we call strong energy to the downside called a C wave. Now, on the higher chart, with respect to the left chart here, we want price to get below this yellow dashed line. Did it? No. So that tells us a lot about the kind of day we're in, how this market is going to respond. So when we get a green brick, green stripe, you've got a choice. You can get out of that trade and get into a new one to join the trend. This is one of our setups where this lower green energy band is into this area of yellow, very close for a strong trend continuation pattern. If you want to create a dynamic trading business based on some very simple strategies that have been created in the 60s, send an email to jb@drumenergybands.com and have a great weekend.